Hey everyone, Roger with Williamson Foundation Repair. I'm out here in Royse City, actually at the Royse City Housing Authority. They've had some problems with drainage, flooding situations, and erosion that they wanted to get corrected. So what did they do? Well, they called Williamson because we are the experts in the field. So I'm going to show you a little bit about what we're doing here. Here's material that we are using. You'll notice that everything is smooth-walled, solid PVC pipe. Nothing with holes in it that can clog up with dirt, and nothing that is the black corrugated pipe, which also clogs up very easily. This is all 6-inch pipe to carry the volume of water that we've got. So while a lot of our competitors use the deep boxes that collect dirt, debris, water, and breed mosquitoes, and the black corrugated pipe that collects debris, water, and gets clogged up and doesn't drain, this is what we do. Low profile box, everything drains directly out of the bottom into a smooth walled pipe that can empty completely and doesn't allow sticks and debris to clog it up. So this whole area was prone to erosion pretty badly from water coming out of the downspouts of these buildings. So what we've done is we have connected the downspouts directly to drain pipes, and as you can see, there as well, all of these connect to a mainline 4-inch pipe, runs under the sidewalk, and then transitions to a 6-inch pipe. In this building over here, we connected all the downspouts and ran a 4-inch mainline pipe down and under the sidewalk. It then connects to our main 6-inch pipe. So here you can see where the 4-inch pipes coming from the gutter downspouts are going to connect to the main 6-inch line, to a 6-inch pipe that will run downhill, as you can see there. So basically, almost all of this property and all of the water coming out of the gutters would all channel down here and fill this parking lot and walkway with water and mud. Our system will take care of that problem. We know it will. Substantially improve the situation, and our system is actually going to drain around the corner to the ditch at the roadway. So there's a little bit about the drainage system that we're installing here for the Royse City Housing Authority to take care of the flooding issues, the water standing issues, the erosion issues that they've been dealing with. You'll notice that we are not using any of the black corrugated pipe. It's a lot cheaper, it's a lot easier to install, and most companies use it. However, it clogs up so easily, plus it holds a lot of water, it doesn't drain out fully, and so you end up with mosquito problems, and we did not want to do that to all the nice people that live out in this community. Increase their mosquito population and put in a drainage system that is going to either require constant maintenance and cleaning or become pretty much useless within a couple of years. This system with solid PVC pipe, no holes in the pipe, smooth walls on the inside, all glued together joints. This thing is going to drain well, it's not going to clog easily, and it's going to last for many, many years and perform as designed. So that's it out here in Royse City, and I am Roger with Williamson Foundation Repair since 1985, the most trusted name in foundation repair and drainage systems. We do it right.